Hi traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we're just going to be discussing the Super Signal version 3 indicator, all right? An indicator for MT4 that can help you identify bullish and bearish trends with precision, okay? So stick around to learn how to use the Super Signal V3 indicator effectively, okay? I'm going to be adding the indicator to the chart right now. It's a custom indicator. So, of course, you have to download it from a third-party site if you do not have it already, and then add it to your indicators library. Okay, we already discussed how to install custom indicators in a previous video, so you might want to check that out. Okay, now this indicator is designed to make trend identification simple by placing green and yellow arrows on the price chart. Okay, so here's what these signals mean. All right, a green arrow appears when the market is gaining bullish momentum. All right, that's when a green arrow appears. Then a yellow arrow appears, signals a yellow arrow signals a weakening market, meaning that sellers are taking control. Okay, the indicator also places crosses on the chart. You can see these crosses, the blue crosses and the red crosses. Okay, so that signals when a trend shift is about to occur. This indicator is especially useful for beginners as it removes the complexity of trend analysis. All right, so how do you use this indicator for trading? You might be wondering, how do you use this indicator for trading? Well, for a buy signal, when a green arrow appears, it signals a strong bullish trend, all right? Or rather, a bullish move. It signals that a bullish move is incoming, okay? So traders may want to look for buy opportunities. If you enter a buy trade, you can set your stop loss below the previous swing low, all right? The green arrow also acts as support, reinforcing the up move, right? The bullish move, okay? Then if a cross appears below the price, it further confirms an upcoming bullish move. Okay. Now, if you want to identify a sell signal, you'll be looking out for yellow arrows to appear above the candlesticks because that signals bearish momentum. So when that happens, you want to look for sell opportunities. You enter a sell trade, set your stop loss above the recent high, and then you ride the sell move, set your take profit at support levels, or you can wait for the green arrow to appear to exit your sell. Okay, reverse is the case for a buy. All right, so the yellow arrow serves as resistance, indicating downward pressure. All right, if a cross appears at the top, it strengthens the downtrend signal. Now, why is this indicator so useful? Why is this indicator so useful? One is the visual trade signals. Okay, there is no need for complicated analysis. All right, no need for complicated analysis, and it's actually great. The indicator is actually great for trend reversals. Okay, and because it helps traders to catch market shifts early, right? And it can be used across all time frames. The indicator can be used across all time frames, although it's better, or rather it's best for higher time frames because of course higher time frames have the tendency of giving fewer false signals compared to lower time frames. Okay, because lower time frames have a lot of market noise, right? And then you can see that the indicator also acts as support and resistance. The arrows help traders identify key levels. Okay, so the super signal V3 indicator makes it easier to plan trades by offering clear entry and exit points. Now, how do you improve accuracy with this indicator? How do you improve accuracy with this indicator? One is use higher time frames. All right. Focus on H1, H4, and D1. All right. For better results. And then combine with other indicators, you can actually use RSI. You can use RSI for trend confirmation, for example. You can use RSI for trend confirmation. Or you can even use MACD for momentum analysis. Okay. Then ensure that you look for crosses. Ensure that you look for crosses. Okay. A cross above price is equal to bearish signal, while a cross below price is equal to bullish signal. So by combining these strategies, traders can maximize their chances of catching strong trends. Okay, so the super signal V3 indicator for MT4 is quite an effective tool for spotting market trends, identifying entry points, and confirming trade decisions. However, ensure that you always observe good risk management. Okay, do not trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose, and ensure to employ good risk to reward ratios. Okay, for example, if you are risking 10 pips, your potential profit should be at least 20 pips, that is times 2 of your risk. All right, try to employ proper risk management. All right, it's very important. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more trading insights. Okay, also turn on the notification bell so that you never miss an update. All right, in the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Trade smart, and I'll catch you in the next one.